This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the Rm-l1195+x and fresh batteries. Start by powering the remote and the device you want to program. Once done, make sure the device is in standby or powered on as required for learning or code entry. You'll position the remote about 3 to 6 feet away with a clear line of sight so infrared signals register reliably. Also clear any direct sunlight or strong LEDs that can mask IR. This improves response and speeds up the next steps. Now put the Rm-l1195+x into programming mode by holding the device button for your component and SET until the LED indicates readiness. If you know the brand code, enter digits and watch for confirmation. Otherwise, use the auto search function and press search or play repeatedly until the device reacts. Once the TV or component responds, immediately test power and volume to verify core functions. When confirmed, press SET or Enter to store the code. Finish by cycling through primary controls to verify every essential function works. Confirm input switching and mute behave correctly. If something fails, make sure batteries are fresh and repeat programming, or perform a factory reset to clear incorrect codes and start again. If automatic codes don't match, use the remote's learning mode to capture signals from the original remote. Align emitters, press firmly, and map each button. One troubleshooting tip: if learning fails, increase proximity and ensure both remotes have consistent IR angles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.